Go Carpet Cleaning in Marietta, Georgia. We specialize in cleaning carpets in homes and offices, exclusively using natural, eco-friendly products that are completely safe for your loved ones and pets. Contact us today for a free quote. About Go Carpet Cleaning in Marietta. With years of experience, and a continual commitment to customer care, Go Carpet Cleaning has been cleaning carpets in homes all around Marietta and neighboring areas. We want to ensure that our customers are 100% pleased with the carpet cleaning services that we offer, and we ensure satisfaction on each and every job. When you use our carpet cleaning service, our trained professionals are experts in hot water extraction, steam cleaning, a form of cleaning that totally removes stains, by thoroughly cleaning the fibers of your carpet, in a safe way without using any harsh chemicals. Imagine yourself, in a comfortable setting with natural light and warmth. We provide carpet cleaning services that will revitalize your office or home, and we will provide welcoming service with a smile. Call us for a totally free consultation, and to discuss our cost-effective rates on carpet cleaning in Marietta, or the surrounding locations, including Johns Creek and Sewanee. Call today. Schedule Go Carpet Cleaning for carpet cleaning in Marietta, Georgia. Call 678-818-5698 for a free quote. Or visit our website, gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com.